Successful people do hard things and that's why their life is easy. But poor people do easy things and that's why their life is hard. Isn't it profound? I know it is very blunt, but this is the truth. Now, what are the hard things which successful people do but poor people ignore? Number one thing, that is thinking. Thinking time is the most crucial time for every successful person on this planet Earth because without thinking, you cannot develop yourself. You cannot work on anything if you do not have your silent time, if you do not have your personal time. And how do you achieve that? By having a thinking time allotted to yourself, not yearly, not monthly, daily. Successful people give time to themselves so that they can think. So ask yourself a question. How much time you have given to your thinking time? Do not tell me, just think and observe what you come up with. Second thing, which is hard, what successful people do but poor people do not. Successful people do right things continuously, and that is called persistence. But poor people, first of all, they don't do right things, and secondly, if they are doing, they are not consistent. You see the deviation. A person who is doing regularly things, but a person who is doing it as a part time is not continuous or not persistent. And that's why rich people are rich and poor people are poor, right? So it is very essential to evaluate sometimes why our life is hard and why rich people are living the life they are living. It is because of two things. Remember, one, give yourself a thinking time. And second, do right things and become persistent at it. Alright? I hope you like it. If you got any aha moment or any action point from this video which you are going to implement in your life, do let me know in comment section below and I'll be happy to see that you are growing in your life. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.